Ẹ káàárọ̀ ẹ̀yin tèmi nílé lóko lẹ́yìn odi. Orúkọ tèmi ni Ìyáàfin Olúwafúnmiláyọ̀ Adépégbà. Gẹ́gẹ́ bí mo ṣe ń tẹ̀síwájú lórí ìtàn àwọn akọni ènìyàn ní ilẹ̀ Yorùbá. I'm Mrs. Funmi Adépégbà. I'm moving forward on the history of the powerful ones among the Yorubas. I'll pick Moremi. Moremi is a very beautiful woman from Offa in Kwara State. She happened to be a very brave, strong woman. Moremi married a man from Ile-Ife. She got married to Ife and she fell in love with the man. She helped them. She helped the Ife people. In those days, the Igbo people used to worry Ife, pack them as slaves to their town. This doesn't all go well with the Ife people and Moremi. Moremi decided to help the Ife people out of this trouble. Moremi went to River Ishimirin. She went there and begged the river to help her overcome the Igbo people who normally troubled Ife. The river promised her, and the following year, when the Igbo people came, they took her as slaves along with others. She was taken to their land. The king loved her because she was a very beautiful woman. He married her. They married her to their king. One night, when she discovered their secret that what they are just using to cover their body is just raffia, Moremi ran out of Igbo land that night and came back to Ile-Ife. She told the Ife people to get ready a lot of torch with light so that they can overpower the Igbo people. The following year, when the Igbo people came, they lit their torch and burnt down the Igbo people. They arrested many of them as slaves. That was how Moremi is able to conquer the Igbo people. According to their promise to River Ishimirin, she promised the river to give her only son, Olorogbo, to the river. She used Olorogbo as sacrifice to the River Ishimirin. Up till today, people do respect her. They worship her in Ile-Ife and Offa. Thank you. Let me go to Shokpono. Shokpono was very old. We call him Baba. Shokpono, according to Yoruba, is believed to be the god of smallpox. In those days, Obatala had a birthday party or just a party. Shokpono was invited along with others. He was very old. He was walking with walking stick. Along the line, he fell down while they were dancing. People dancing were laughing at him. He was very angry. He became angry. He started beating them with his walking stick. And as he's beating them, they are having chickenpox, smallpox. They are having chickenpox, smallpox. They didn't go well with Obatala. Obatala was so angry. He sent out Shokpono. He sent him out of his house. Since that day, Shokpono doesn't live in the town. He has been living in the forest. They worship Shokpono up till tomorrow in the forest. Thank you.